A mother's embrace, the first connection. The moment a mother first holds her newborn, a profound connection ignites. Skin to skin, a mother's loving embrace welcomes her baby into the world. This is a sacred space where breastfeeding begins. The baby, guided by instinct, may naturally root for the breast. This first latch, a symphony of emotions, marks the start of the breastfeeding journey. The mother may feel a rush of love and tenderness. Tears of joy may flow freely. This intimate act deepens the bond between mother and child, fostering a sense of closeness and security. It is a moment etched in their hearts forever. The dance begins. Early challenges and triumphs. The early days of breastfeeding are a learning curve for both mother and baby. It is a dance of patience and perseverance. The mother's body, a vessel of nourishment, begins to produce colostrum, often called liquid gold. This nutrient-rich first milk provides essential antibodies and immune factors, protecting the baby from illness. Challenges may arise, testing the mother's resolve. Sore nipples, engorgement, or latch difficulties are common hurdles. It's important to remember that every breastfeeding journey is unique. Seeking guidance from a lactation consultant or healthcare provider can make a world of difference. Finding your rhythm. Overcoming breastfeeding hurdles. Positioning and latch are crucial for successful breastfeeding. Experiment with different holds, such as the cradle hold or the football hold, to find what works best. Ensure the baby has a good latch, encompassing a large portion of the areola. Proper latch promotes milk flow and prevents nipple soreness. If challenges persist, don't hesitate to seek help. Lactation consultants are experts in breastfeeding support. They can provide personalized advice, address concerns, and offer practical solutions. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. A village of support. Nurturing the nursing mother. Breastfeeding is a team effort. Family and friends play a vital role in supporting a nursing mother. Partners, parents, and friends can offer emotional support, encouragement, and practical help. Creating a calm and nurturing environment allows the mother to focus on breastfeeding. Healthcare providers are also essential members of the support team. Regular checkups provide an opportunity to address any concerns and monitor the baby's growth. They can offer guidance, reassurance, and evidence-based information on breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is a gift, a journey of love, and a testament to the incredible bond between a mother and her child. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the triumphs, and find joy in the miracle of nourishing new life.